Can your camera do this? Let's jump into an unboxing of the Insta360 Go 2 on the next Mix of Tech. Hey guys, welcome to Mix of Tech, where I review technology for the consumer to prosumer, and I give my take on the things I see. Today, I've got the Insta360 Go 2. Been really excited about this, and I've got something a little bit different than probably what you've seen in some of the other unboxings. I've got the Selfie Stick Kit. Yeah, you heard that right, Selfie Stick Kit. So this is just the Go 2 with a selfie stick, but hey, I'm pretty interested to see what it's like. All right, let's check it out. Let's dive in. All right. Now, this is coming in with the package itself, so I've got the selfie stick, so it's the invisible selfie stick. And I believe it goes up to 72 centimeters out, so that's pretty cool. And then here's what we're looking to really get into, and it's the Insta360 Go 2. And so like I said, this is for $299. This was really an additional 20 bucks. So altogether, this is $319. All right, so let's concentrate on opening these up. So let's take the selfie stick away for a second and concentrate on opening up our Go 2. So it's the tiny, mighty action cam, and I do agree with that. This is a tiny action camera, and I'm interested to see what its capabilities are going to be. Based upon it has internal storage and up to about 110 minutes with the case, the charging case. All right. Help it out there. Boop. That's pretty cool. Think big. And what's cool is that this does come with a lens guard, so you can purchase additional lens guards, but that's one of the nice features of the Go 2. And what's cool is this is magnetic right here. It's pretty cool. And so this allows me to, hopefully, if I get into a situation where I scratch the lens, I can replace it with the lens guard. So I'm pleased about that. That's a good add on the Go 2. All right, so we'll put the camera to the side. Let's open up and see what else is coming with it. So I think what's cool is the pendant. So this is for under my clothes, I guess, if you want to say. Probably different situations you can apply this. So this magnetic pendant can be used probably for a lot of different applications. So it's definitely interesting. So, yep, here we go. Apply that and connects. I think actually it's supposed to be connected there. So that's pretty cool. So I've seen other YouTubers kind of say, hey, I don't see any practical value in this, or yeah, this is awkward. I don't know. I think it could offer some value. You know, definitely put it under your shirt, not have it exposed like a necklace or something like that. Then, you know, I think you're doing okay, just like that. So if I put it here, yep, sticks. I'm gonna this a little off because it's on the middle because I've got my buttons, but not bad. It's pretty cool. So we got the pendant, got some instructions. All right. So here's what's cool is the improvements to the Go 2 is the case. So this is actually kind of a selfie stick on its own. Charges, it's a remote. It's got its capabilities to kind of be a small tripod. So that's pretty cool. You know, it's definitely, it's not gonna be the best tripod, but for certain use cases, it's not bad. And of course, it's magnetically connected to the charging case. All right, we've got the easy clip. So this is pretty cool. Now, what I will find interesting is the use cases that I'll use this easy clip with. I know that you can put it on the top of your hat. I'll look at other options to see. This might be a fit for me on that. You know, I do wear hats periodically, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be the coolest look in the world. But I do like the charging case because that's pretty slick that you can charge your camera just by putting it in here. Okay. Looks like we've got our USB-C charging cable. So this is USB charge. And then we've got the other adapter that I believe is going to be so that you can use it to stick to different surfaces. So this camera's resolution, you can do 1080p and 1440 at 30 frames per second. It has the capability to do 1080p at 120 frames per second. So for that slow-mo, which is cool. The flow state, which is what I would probably want to use this mostly for, with the really good stabilization, and that's going to be something that you can run at 1080 and 1440 at 30 frames per second. But the total time, if you just have this alone with the camera, is 20 minutes, and that's 110 minutes with the case connected. So you have to be mindful of that. And of course, it only has 32, but really usable space, 28 gigs. That's the one thing I'm interested to see, is how this is going to do with my practical use as an action camera, having internal storage only. But I am excited to see what it can do. All right, so let's check out the selfie stick. I mean, there's really nothing to this, and I think for 20 bucks, you know, this is probably going to be what it's worth, you know, if you were to buy a third party, but it's nice that it's Insta360. So with the selfie stick, you get 72 centimeters of reach, so it's pretty good. I mean, it's a good practical use for a selfie stick, and it just slides in just like that. Feels pretty solid. I do think that you could put this to a tripod, which is cool, so you could have this vertical as well. All right, so in order to connect your selfie stick to the carrying case, you just have to go in and screw in with the thread. And again, looks like that's the only option you have, so you're gonna have to connect your camera to the carrying case. All right, yep, that's what it is. And then you can just extend it out like that. So that wraps up the unboxing of the Insta360 Go 2 with the Selfie Stick Kit. If you're interested in me doing a more thorough review of the camera itself, I know a lot of people have done it. Let me know in the comments below. I'll be looking to potentially do that. I'm really interested to see what this camera can do personally and potentially add to my bag for other capabilities. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more great content like this. Thanks for joining A Mix of Tech.